Hey there, outdoor enthusiasts and lawn lovers. Today, we're cutting the cord and unleashing the power with the best cordless string trimmers. These convenient and eco-friendly tools will help you achieve a pristine yard without the hassle. Check the description box for links to our top picks, and let's get trimming for a beautiful lawn. Black+Decker LST522 String Trimmer. Discover the Black+Decker LST522, a versatile 20V max cordless string trimmer with dual-speed control for extended runtime or enhanced power. Say goodbye to manual line feeding, thanks to the automatic feed spool. Effortlessly transform it into a wheeled edger with adjustable height and a premium soft grip for added comfort. As part of the 20V Max system, it offers power for a range of tasks and comes equipped with the high-capacity LBXR 2520 battery, providing a remarkable 66% more capacity than its predecessor, ensuring you can tackle your outdoor projects with ease and efficiency. Makita XRU02Z String Trimmer. The Makita XRU02Z is an 18V ALXT lithium-ion cordless string trimmer known for its impressive performance. It boasts a Makita-built motor that delivers a remarkable cutting speed of 7,800 RPM, making it perfect for efficient trimming. This trimmer is lightweight and ergonomically designed for balance and comfort. The telescoping shaft offers effortless length adjustment to accommodate your specific requirements. This cordless string trimmer is a cleaner alternative to gas-powered trimmers with zero emissions and reduced maintenance. Craftsman CMC-ST900D1 String Trimmer. The Craftsman CMC-ST900D1 is a V20 cordless string trimmer that stands out for its extended runtime with 2 speed settings. This versatile tool excels at both edging and trimming tasks. Its ergonomic telescoping pole simplifies switching to edging mode, while the automatic line advancement eliminates the need for manual bumping. Its impressive 13-inch cutting swath is designed to optimize efficiency during your yard work. For added convenience, it's compatible with the VersaTrack wall organization system and comes with a reassuring 3-year limited warranty. PowerSmart PS76112A String Trimmer. The PowerSmart PS76112A is a 20V Max 2-in-1 cordless string trimmer and edger. Its adjustable handle ensures comfortable cutting, while the 2.0Ah battery provides ample power. This trimmer features an auto-feed spool for hassle-free line management. Despite its power, it's ultra-lightweight at just 6.8 pounds. With a 12-inch cutting diameter and 0.065-inch line, it offers precise control. It includes the trimmer, battery, fast charger, handle, guard, edge guide, spools, spool cover, and comes with a 2-year warranty. EcoPower Plus ST1502 SA String Trimmer. Meet the EcoPower Plus ST1502 SA, a professional-grade cordless string trimmer. Its high-efficiency brushless motor ensures extended runtime and minimal vibrations. Rated IPX4 for weather resistance, it's built tough. The rapid reload head simplifies line replacement, and variable speed control allows precision. It includes a 56-volt 2.5Ah battery and standard charger, compatible with all Ego tools. Backed by a 5-year tool warranty and a 3-year battery warranty, it's your reliable choice for lasting performance in demanding tasks. Thanks for joining us on this journey to discover the best cordless string trimmers. Keep your yard looking pristine with these powerful and portable tools.